Hey guys, Skewb here, and today I have a video for you on the Skewb. So, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the Skewb flower pattern. So you can build this pattern on any three adjacent sides like this, and then mirror it on the other sides like this. So yeah, let's just get right into it, I guess. So, in order to make this pattern, we're going to use a set of moves that will swap around three of these pieces here. So what it's going to do is it's going to do this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here. So it cycles these three. So you can use that to swap around these three if you just put, say, this one in the back here. And then when you do a set of moves, which I'm about to show you, this one will go here, this one will go here, and this one will go here. It's a really simple algorithm used in Skewb solving, so if you already know how to solve a Skewb, you probably know this already. I'm just going to run through it for people who don't know it. The algorithm is bring the right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. It's really that simple, really. Now, obviously, you see this, we got this all messed up. So what we do is we just turn it around 180 degrees, and then we do it again. Right down, left down, right up, left up. And now we have swapped around these three pieces here, like that. So using this concept, we can then make the Skewb flower pattern. The first step when making this pattern is to choose which colours you want to base it around. So here, say I wanted to do it around red, white and blue, I could, because they're right next to each other. I couldn't, of course, do it on white, blue and yellow because they're not next to each other, so I won't make like a flower. So, once you've chosen your three colours, I'm going to choose these three here. You want to put one of them on the top. I'm going to do white on the top, red on the front with me, then one of them at the back. Now, because they're right next to each other, in a sort of like circle, they won't be all. You won't have one at the back, right? You'll have it on the right or the left. So what you can do is just do that move right there, or if it's on the left side, that move right there, to put this one at the back right there. And remember, whatever's at the back will end up on top. Whatever's on the top will end up at the front. Whatever's on the front will end up at the back. So that's, and now we've got all our setup done, so now we can do the algorithm that will swap these three, like I showed you. So remember, it's right down, left down, right up, left up. Twist it 180 degrees, keeping this one at the top. Right down, left down, right up, left up. Then twist it another 180 degrees. And then you'll see you'll have this weird mix. So you'll have two of them in place, that's good. And then, because remember we brought this one to the back, we want to bring it back to where it was before, on the side. And then you'll have these three swap round. So you can of course repeat this on the other three sides if you want to. I'm not going to do it for this process to make it simpler. And that's just a pattern. If you want to undo it, then all you can do is you can just do the move again to put one of them in the back, and then you can cycle these three, well, twice. So remember, this one's going to go here, and this is the red side. So we don't want it there, but if we cycle it again, then the red will be here again. So that's how you get it back from the pattern state. So yeah, if you have any queries or questions about this pattern, feel free to leave a comment in the section down below. And if you want to see more patterns or suggestions for patterns, or you have any queries about any of a Rubik's Cube type puzzle, of course leave them down in the comment section as well. And if you liked it, like it, and if you loved it, subscribe. And I'm Skewbing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye!